Climbing up a perilous 2,300 feet fort with a near vertical drop either side of you would be scary enough with harnesses and handrails. But these friends took it a step further when they ascended the notorious Kalavantin Durg in the rain and with nothing but their hands and knees, and their guide wasn't even wearing shoes. Thrill seekers Abhishek, Kumar, Singh and Nishant Neerav filmed their ascent of the perilous zigzag hike to the top of the stone fort in India, only accessible by a hand-carved staircase. With no handrails or safety equipment, the two friends and their guide faced near vertical drops either side if they lost their footing in the wet weather on the ascent, known as the climb to heaven. But despite the potential risks, Abhishek said climbing the iconic fort, whose history dates back over 2,000 years, was the completion of a life ambition. He said, "I had wanted to do something adventurous all my life, and climbing this was top of my list. While we were trekking to the top, the weather turned and it became quite slippery underfoot. We were so close to the top, but then we knew we couldn't just turn back, so kept going. The reward at the top was amazing." To reach the summit of Kalavantin Durg, located 100 miles from Mumbai, climbers have to use the staircase that has been in place for centuries. At the lower, more gentle levels, T-hots the landscape to help hikers refresh. But as the ascent becomes steeper, climbers are miles from help should they fall or need rescuing. The hand-carved stone steps are notorious for becoming wet when it rains or when mist descends on the peak. But it has been affectionately dubbed the climb to heaven thanks to the incredible views that await those who reach the top. It took the adrenaline seekers 4 hours each way to ascend and descend the towering rock feature. And despite some near misses, Abhishek has no regrets. He said, "There were a few times where one of us lost our footing. But thankfully no one was hurt or worse.